Hello, what can I do for you? Your school bus is broken down? We have to fix it. I'll be there right away with the tow truck to bring it to the garage. Come on, kids, let's go. Hi, kids. I'm Pipo. Welcome to the garage, where we can repair all kinds of vehicles. Today we have to repair the school bus. Here we go. First step, washing. Now that it's washed, we have to dry it. There! Let's move on to the next. Second step, replacing the wheels. Let's start by taking off the old wheels. Now, let's replace them. Ah, the golden wheels will go perfectly. Let's put on the first wheel. Then the second, and finally the third wheel. There, let's move on to the next. Let's add now some new parts. We start with a bigger indicator. New headlights. For the bus to go faster, let's give it a jet engine. One on the roof, in the back. And two underneath. Let's move on to the next. Now, kids, let's move on to the paint. What do you think of painting the school bus red? Let's use the sticker applier to decorate the bus. First on the side. And to finish, let's also put flames on the bumper. Whoa, great! And finally, the key component, a wing. Our school bus will be able to fly. And as a bonus, magic stones. Great! That's much better! That's it! The school bus is repaired. It looks much better. Now it can make its rounds flying. Let's go, kids! Oh, how it shines! Did you see? Look, the school bus is flying. It's a magic bus. Mission accomplished. Subscribe. Hello, Lucas. How are you? Do you want to play? Come on, let's make another toy then. Let's see what's in the toy chest today. Today, we are building a fire truck. Look at all these parts. Time for action, Lucas. Show us how to build this fire truck. Where do we start? Of course, we start with the axle. And then comes the wheels. How many do we have here, Lucas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Excellent! This is the engine. And this is a red cabin and a front bumper. Now the most important part, the water tank, which we connect to the hose. This will help the fire truck extinguish fires. And let's not forget the ladder and the tool at the back. I think we are still missing something. Here, look, Lucas. Do you know what this is used for? This is a light that we place on top of the truck. Well done, Lucas. Our fire truck is finished. Let's give him a name. What about Mark? What's going on, Mark? Did you hear something? Lucas, it looks like Mark has an emergency. Let's follow him. Look, a pile of cubes fell onto your friend Tom the train. Mark, can you rescue Lucas's friend? Wow, Mark! Well done! Thanks a lot. All right. Thank you for today. Have fun and be careful. We will see you next time. Oh, look! This is Lucas, the little monster truck. How are you today, Lucas? Shall we have a look at what new toy awaits us today? Where are we going, Lucas? Let's open it. I wonder what could be inside for you today. Lucas, look! It looks like a train. But first, you need to put the pieces together. First, the cabin. What color is it? Yes, that's right. It is blue. Red. We lay it on the platform. And now let's place the cow catcher and the boiler. I wonder what this cylinder is for. Of course, it's the train's chimney. Now, let's add the wheels. We need 10 of them. And lastly, we need the cars to transport people. Let's add 2, and let's attach them to each other. Our train is finished. Well done, Lucas. I think you've just made a new friend. Let's give him a name. What about Ted? Look, Ted wants to have fun with you. Look, Lucas. This is a train station. Trains use train stations to pick up or let off its passengers. But a train can also carry merchandise. Now that he has picked up this new car, he starts moving again. Okay, Lucas and Ted. See you next time and have fun! Hello, Lucas and Ted. Is this cube blocking your way? Are you trying to move it? It looks really heavy. How about seeing what new toy is in the chest today? Maybe it will help. Of course you like new toys, but you will have to use your smarts to put it together. Let's see what we have here today. Okay, all the parts are there and we can start. These are parts of a bulldozer. It's very powerful. It's your time, Lucas. Do your best and assemble it. That's smart, Lucas. A bulldozer needs to move just like you. But he is not the same like you. He moves on caterpillars so it can run over anything. That's right. It also has an engine on the inside, a chassis on the outside, and a yellow cabin for the driver. That part is called the scoop, and it serves to pick things up. But where does it fit? Okay, now you are doing well. The scoop is in its place, so the bulldozer can lift and move objects. What else is missing? Let's not forget the exhaust pipe. It is crucial to make the bulldozer work. You completed a bulldozer, Lucas. How about we name it Billy? Say hello to your new friend, Billy. Billy can't drive as fast as you, but he is very strong. He can lift incredibly heavy things. He works in construction and helps to clear out the way for other machines and workers to approach. Hi, Billy. Do you think you can help us? Ted, our friend, would like to go to its train station, but the cubes are blocking the way. Wow! Thanks a lot, Billy. You were of incredible help today. Now Ted can go to the train station. Lucas, you now have a new amazing friend. All right, see you later and have fun here. Look, it's our friend Lucas. How are you, Lucas? Would you like to find out what new toy is waiting for you in the chest? This looks like a racetrack. That's a playground for cars or trucks where they can race each other and run through loops and other obstacles. Come on, Lucas. It's time to put the racetrack together. Okay, let's start with the pillars and add the racing surface on top of them. We add one turn, and then two big loops. Here is the jump. And now, the bridge. That's right. Now the track is in place. But we also need the safety bumpers. Where should the finish line go? That looks good. Hey, Lucas, are you in a mood to run around and test your new racetrack? Go ahead, Lucas. Try it out. See? It's perfect for driving. Now, prepare to take a lap around the track. 3, 2, 1, go! What a nice start there, Lucas. Watch now, Lucas. That's a loop. That's right. Now you've got it. Just remember to stay careful all the time and keep your eyes on the road, or you might end up in the safety bumpers. It appears you like your new racetrack, Lucas. It would be even better if you had some friends to invite over for a good race. You like that idea? Maybe we can do something about it next time. What's up, Lucas? You are not having fun on your new racetrack? Don't worry. All you need is some company. There is a new friend waiting for you in the chest. Do you recognize what it is, Lucas? Yes, it's a car. Actually, it's a race car that can run very fast. Hurry up! Let's complete the race car and organize a big race. Start from the flooring and axles. Then, add the chassis and the cabin for the driver. What is left? The wheels. Just put each one in its place so the car can move. Then, we must add the steering wheel to control the car, as well as the exhaustion pipe and the lights. Here we go. The race car is finished. See, Lucas? You have a new friend now. Let's call him Tom. Tom is a good racer, and if you take him to the racetrack, he will show you what he can do. Look! Another race car is already at the start line. Tom will race with the red car around the racetrack, and we will find out who is the fastest. Lucas, you can give the sign for the race to start. We got a leader here. Well done! That was close. Oh, what a surprise attack! A new car in the lead. Yes, number 2 is the winner. That was a great race, wasn't it, Lucas? It is always great when you share your toys with friends.
Hi, Billy. How are you? Are you lost, Billy? Stay here. Don't worry. I'll send someone to your rescue. Matt. Hey, Matt.
What?
Billy the Bulldozer is lost. We need to find him.
What?
I think we're going to need some help, Matt.
What?
Let's call Frank, the fire truck, to help us.
What?
Hey, Frank. Do you want to help us find Billy? He's lost. So, where do we start? You're right, Matt. Billy went to see Amber the ambulance this morning. Let's go see her. Hey, Amber, I heard Billy went to see you this morning. Do you know where he is? Oh, he went to the farm? Thanks, Amber. Let's go see there. Matt, Frank, look, here is Ben the tractor. Hey, Ben, do you know where Billy went? By the forest, you say? Okay, let's go there, guys. Let's try not to get lost in there. Billy, where are you? It would be great if we could see from above. What is it, guys? Wow, a camera! Great idea! Let's see if we can see Billy now. Oh, here he is. That's Billy further down the road. Billy, you're saved now. Matt and Frank are here. Amazing, guys! You saved Billy. Now go home safe. See you next time, guys. And thanks again. Hi, Jerry the racing car. Are you ready for your big race? Woohoo! You are way too fast. I am sure you will win this race, Jerry. Go get 'em, Jerry. Uh-oh, what happened, Jerry? Are you all right? The big race is in a few hours. Don't worry, we can get you fixed. Just wait here. I will get Tom the tow truck. He can help you. Hey, Tom. Long day, eh? Hey, listen, Tom. Jerry the race car is in trouble, and his big race is in a few hours. He needs your help. Great, Tom. You are a hero. Come along. Let's find Jerry. There, Tom. Jerry is there waiting for us. Uh-oh, careful, Tom. Hey, Jerry, Tom is here. Let's get going. To the garage, everyone. Are we ready, Jerry? Ready, Tom? So what do we do first, Tom? Well, at the speed that you have to go, it is no wonder that your tires are worn out, Jerry. Let's change the tires. Will that do, Tom? No? Oh, yes. It is way too small for Jerry. How about those? Perfect. Time to get rid of the old tires and fit the new ones. And we are done. You look great, Jerry. Anything else, Tom? Oh, yeah, the seat looks really old. There, Tom. Will that do? Time for a new seat. Isn't that exciting, Jerry? Jerry looks so happy. Damaged rear wing? What can we do about that, Tom? Yes, let's change it. So, which color do you think will complement Jerry? The red one with the black stripes? Great choice, Tom. Wow, Tom. Jerry looks perfect now, like a winner. What is it, Tom? Racing sticker! Amazing! Jerry is definitely going to need that for his race. All the best for the race, Jerry. Have fun! Bye! What's wrong, Frank? Do you have a problem? Let's call Tom the tow truck. He will be able to help you. Tom, your friend Frank's in trouble. You need to go help him. Oh, Frank is not here. Maybe over there? Look, Tom, we found Frank. We need to help him. Otherwise, the city will not be protected from fires anymore. Hello, Frank. You're saved now. Perfect. Let's go back to the garage. Okay, Tom. Ready to fix the fire truck? Let's start then. First, let's change the front bumper. It's all broken. Wow! That looks good, Frank. What's next, Tom? Of course, Tom. Let's change the wheels. We need 6 of them. So which pile of wheels do we need to take? Yes, of course. Excellent, Tom. Oh, there's a hole in the water tank. We need to change it, Tom. Whoa, Tom! What is that? Are you going to close this hole with this welder? Amazing, Tom! Yes, Tom? Do you have something else for us? Wow, Tom! Awesome! A new ladder! Ah, you need a new light, Frank. Tom, can you do something about it? Excellent, Tom. See you next time, Frank. Hi, Jeremy. How are you? Hey, Jeremy, careful. Watch out. Uh-oh, Jeremy, are you all right? I will call Tom the tow truck to fix you. Just wait here, okay? Tom! Hey, Tom! Jeremy the taxi needs your help. Come on, let's hurry. Yes, Tom. Just keep going. To your left, Tom. Oh, wait, Tom. The red light. Time to go. Hey, Jeremy. Tom is here. He will be able to help you. Time to go to the garage, Jeremy. Let's get going. We have reached the garage now. Well, let's begin. So, how do we go about this, Tom? Yes, let's start by changing Jeremy's front grille. It must be painful. This one will work perfectly. You already look better, Jeremy. Now let's see what's wrong with the engine. Oh yes, we need to change this. Look, there on that shelf, Tom. Will that do? So let's take the old engine out and replace it with a new one. Great! Oh, look at that, Tom. That crack on Jeremy's windscreen is big enough. Yes, we'll use that suction cup to remove the windshield. Ready, Jeremy? 1, 2, 3. Great! Now, time to find the new windscreen. There. Will that do, Tom? Oh, all right. It is too big for Jeremy. What about that? Perfect. Cool. Jeremy, you look perfect now. Uh-oh. That rooftop sign is a bit shaky. What do you think, Tom? Tom, you have exactly what Jeremy needs, don't you? Great, Tom. So which would you choose? This one, Tom? No? What about this, Tom? Perfect. Time for the old sign to go. The new one is all shiny and fancy. Jeremy looks so happy. Bye, Jeremy. Have a great day. Hi. Looks like the day's work is done. You look tired. Time to go home and take a nap. Hey, Amber, what's wrong? Are you in trouble? Oh, dear. We need to find somebody to fix you. Let's call Tom the tow truck. He lives nearby. He can help. Tom? Hey, Tom. Amber the ambulance needs your help. You need to come along. Amber is near the hospital grounds. Hurry! Yeah, look, a sign. This means the hospital is that way. Keep going. Yeah, that's it. There she is. Amber, help has arrived. Now you can relax. Tom will fix you in no time. That's perfect, Tom. Now, let's get back to the garage. There, we have reached the garage. So, Tom, are you ready? Let's get started. Amber, can you start the engine again? That's strange. Isn't it, Tom? Maybe we can check the engine. Well, the engine is new. What could the trouble be? Can you see something in there, Tom? Oh, the exhaust pipe is broken, is it? What do you think we should do now, Tom? Welding. Yeah, that seems like a good idea. What shall we do next, Tom? Oh, okay, Tom. You think Amber needs new wheel rims? Can that be used? Oh, all right. It is too big. You think that's the perfect size? Great. Now, that looks perfect. Good work, Tom. Guess Amber is good to go. Uh-oh, not yet. Amber sounds like a squeaky doll right now. Okay, Tom, you think that the siren needs fixing too? This one? No? Okay, do you have more of them? Oh, good. We have found the perfect one for Amber. You sound good, Amber. That's a loud and clear siren. Perfect for you. Great choice, Tom. Amber looks perfectly fine, all thanks to Tom. Time to go, Amber. Bye. Tom. Hey, Tom. Wakey, wakey. You have a phone call. What happened, Tom? Oh, Ben the tractor is in trouble? Let's go. Ben, don't worry. Tom is on his way. He will fix you up in no time. Yes, Tom. Just keep going. Tom, can you find Ben? Look, there he is. Let's hurry. Hi, Ben. How are you? What's wrong? Ben says his engine is broken. And indeed it is. Let's take you to the garage, Ben. Come on. We have reached the garage now. Ben, Tom will have a look at you now. Let's start with some cleaning. As good as new, Ben. You are glowing. All thanks to Tom. So what do you think, Tom? Yes, you're right. Let's check the engine. It looks badly damaged. Will that do, Tom? Well, looks like you have the right ones available, Tom. Hey, Ben, we found a new engine for you. Perfect work, Tom. What happened, Tom? Any problem? Ah, the broken mirror. We almost missed it, but I guess that's not a problem at all. Tom, I'm sure you can easily fix it. Found anything, Tom? I bet you have. Ben, you have a new mirror now. Isn't that great? You look absolutely perfect. Bye, Ben. Tom, see you later. Bye.